So the last one we're going to look at is Boolean. So with Boolean, we said Boolean is anything that has true or false. So let's say it's on, and then we say true. So if we try to, and always you need to make sure that the first character for the Boolean, I mean the value, if it's true, the T must be uppercase. If it is false, the F must be uppercase. So if I say print type of is on, it should say bool or boolean. So let me clear my screen one more time. So if I run this, yeah, it's saying bool, and it just means that it is boolean. So basically we've seen the 4 data types that comes with. If it's going to be false, just do an uppercase false. And if you could see, it's not having a speech mark because Boolean is only true or false. And anytime you do this, it means that you're trying to say Boolean value. So it's still going to be bool as well.